I hope everyone are joined, right? Rafi, anybody yet to join? Rafi, are you there? I can see Rafi has joined, but he's not responding. We are not able to hear you, Rafi. I mean, are you there? I mean, just a minute, guys. Let me inform you through phone. It seems like there is a network issue from their end. Let me inform through phone. Yeah. Uh, I think they are having some network issue. That's okay, fine. Let's start our session. Yeah, are you guys able to see my screen, right? Anybody please confirm that? Just say yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Yeah. So, yeah, my name is Syed Mohitullah. I'm currently working as an Arkil developer, and I have handled two end-to-end projects, and also I worked on config tool migration as well as smart operations. So currently, I'm working with a UK entity company, and I have handled two end-to-end projects. So this is a brief about me. So welcome to guys, welcome to our Arkil Fusion Technical Development course demo class. Everyone, thanks for joining. Let's start our class. So first of all, let us discuss about the agenda of our class. We are going to discuss about the what is ERP and the real-time example, real-time usage of ERP, and what is database, what is Oracle SQL, PL SQL, along with that, what is Oracle Cloud, what is Oracle Fusion Cloud, and what are the technical objects are behind Oracle Fusion Cloud, and what are the career opportunities with the Oracle Fusion Cloud. Thereafter that, later we will discuss about the placement assistance and about the project implementations, weekly mock interviews, and everything we are going to discuss about. This is the agenda, today's agenda. So, yeah, let's begin our session. First of all, what is an ERP? What is an ERP? So, ERP is a enterprise resource planning. ERP is a enterprise resource planning. Is a type of software that helps businesses manage their daily activities, you know, such as finance, HR, supply chain, manufacturing, and more in one integrated system. It allows different departments to share data and work more efficiently. Okay, guys, let me give a generic example of ERP. Let's assume we are having one plastic manufacturing industry. Okay, so we are having one plastic manufacturing industry. So plastic manufacturing industry owner has two branches in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so he's having two branches in Andhra Pradesh and he's maintaining the data manually. See, in our we can see in plastic manufacturing company we can able to see different type of departments like manufacturing department, financial department, and also the warehouse management. In warehouse management we can able to see raw materials. In manufacturing there we can able to see the operations and the financial, as obviously we can see the financial transactions, profit and loss. So we are having different types of departments in our plastic manufacturing industry. So now this plastic manufacturing industry owner has only two branches. Now he is storing his data manually. Manually means he's storing his data in registers. Likewise, let's say for example, the same owner wants to expand his company throughout the state. Now this time he accommodate nearly nearly seven branches. Let's assume he's having seven branches. Each branch storing their data, their manufacturing data, their inventory data, I mean the warehouse data. Warehouse again, the warehouse nothing but raw materials data and operation data, everything, financial data, everything is saved in particular manual registers. So again, so day by day, the plastic manufacturing company is growing and expanding rapidly. Now, the owner decided to expand his business nationally. Now, now let's assume he is going to establish nearly 300 branches. Okay, so now he's having 300 branches. Now say, now tell me, are now tell me, are he able to manage his data manually? Of course not. Why? Because there is a huge number of transaction will comes in per second. There is thousands of transaction will going on. So it will be very difficult to manage in the manual registers. So to avoid that, then to avoid that manufacturing company owner, that plastic manufacturing company owner, we could say he will approach the ERP softwares. Now he will go to the market. He will go to the current software market and he will approach the companies. I mean he will choose the best out of the ERPs. So currently we are having two ERPs, Oracle ERP and SAP. These two are the most widely used ERPs globally. So now he will approach the ERP and he will maintain the data in that software. Now you guys understood about the ERP, right? Are you guys understood about the ERP? What is an ERP? Just say yes or no. Are you guys with me?
Yeah, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Good, good. Yes. So Oracle ERP is one of the leading ERP solutions used by the business worldwide, which helps organizations automate process, reduce cost, and make data-driven decisions. This is how we can use the ERP softwares. Now the plastic manufacturing company owner using ERP software and managing his different type of data associated with the different departments. Okay, now let's move to the another slide. Now, so as of now I have provided you a generic example. Let me take you through the real time example. Just imagine you are running a big business. Okay, you are running a big business like a car manufacturing company. So you have different departments, such as sales team, inventory team, manufacturing team, finance team, HR team. So what sales team does, it will takes an order from the customers. Okay, it will takes an order from the customers. Thereafter, there is an inventory team. It will manage the stocks of the raw materials. So again, there is a manufacturing team. What the manufacturing team will does, assemble the cars. Again, finance team handles payments and accounts. HR team manages employees and salaries. So now our
Sorry for interruption, but
yeah,
there is
please.
a issue with your voice.
Oh, sorry. Uh, yeah, just a second. Huh? I will fix that. I think there is a broadband issue. Let me. Are you able to hear now? Clearly, someone has raised it. There is an issue with my voice. Are you able to hear now? Still, it is same. Hello.
No, still it's breaking.
Okay. Let me
Still
connect it
it's
with.
breaking.
Yeah. Sure. Just. Just let me know. Are you guys able to hear my voice now? I think there is a broadband issue in my end. Are you guys able to hear me now? I can see a green signal over my excellent name, I guess. Just confirm me that.
Yeah, yes, you are audible now.
Oh, okay, good. Let me continue. Thanks for pointing out me because if he didn't point out, again it will be a big issue. Yeah, good. So where we are? So yeah, we are imagining that we are running a big business, and that is nothing but a car manufacturing company, and we are having different departments such as sales, inventory, manufacturing, finance, and HR. So now here, without ERP, now let's assume we don't have any ERP system in our car manufacturing company. We are following the traditional way. Okay, so now each department works separately using different software or manual records. What will happen now if the each department works separately using different softwares or manual records? This will create a big problem. Now again, data is not shared easily. Data will not share easily. Again, the sales team takes a big order that inventory team might not know if enough raw materials are available. Let's say for example, you if you order something from the Flipkart or the Amazon. So what the sales team will do is, obviously the sales team will takes an order. Again, the inventory team get to know that whether the materials are available in the stock or not. So obviously now the Amazon using the AWS services. Obviously the inventory team will get to know. But in our company I'm saying there is a lack of software, there is no ERP software, then how the inventory team might to know? Obviously it will not. So that is a problem. Again, too much manual work and mistakes. The finance team might take a lot of days for the cost because the data is scattered along across the different files. That is a big issue. The financial issue will be a big issue that will create a big problem in the business. And there is a slow decision making. Why? Because managers don't get real time reports to track business performances. Obviously that is also a big problem. Now with ERP, now it is a modernized way. So now our company has implemented with Oracle ERP. So we have implemented a ERP system to our company, to our car manufacturing company. So now ERP is one single system that connects all the departments so they can share and update data in real time. So now, let's say for example, now how ERP works in a car company. Now see, a customer place an order. Okay, a customer place an order. The sales team enters into the ERP system. Like likewise, how the Amazon or the Flipkart, the sales team enters an order. In the same way, our sales team also enters into the ERP system. Now, inventory is updated automatically. See, earlier what we have discussed, without ERP, it, the inventory might not know about the raw materials. So, but now here what happening? The system checks whether the raw materials are available or not, and this inventory will update it automatically. Yes, if it is available, yes, there it will notify to the sales team. Yes, the materials are available. If not, the same the notification will send to the sales team. There is no raw materials are available or any raw materials or any products, whatever it is. Again, manufacturing starts. The production team gets notified to start assembling cars. So here now inventory is updated automatically. The system checks if raw materials are available. Let's say for example, yes, raw materials are available. Then if the raw materials are available, the notification will send to the manufacturing team. There, the production team will gets notified to start assembles cars. Again, finance process payments. The system generates invoices and update accounts. Again, HR updates workforce allocation. See here, again the system assigns an employees to production if needed. You know, HR updates workforce allocation. And next result. What happening here? No manual data entry, fewer mistakes, departments work together smoothly, faster decision making with real time reports. That is a result. So, I can conclude that ERP is a brain for a business. You can see, ERP is a brain for the business that connects all parts together. This is about the ERP. I think hope everyone understood about the ERP now. Now you guys got one picture about the ERP. And tomorrow also, if somebody asks you what is an ERP, yes, you are able to answer the question. Yes. So now let me take you through the real life examples of ERP usages in different industries. This will be very much interesting. Now I will let you know that how the ERP usage is going on in different industries. See, we are having different sectors, different industries in the market. Likewise, manufacturing, retail, banking, government, railway sectors, etc. So, ERP systems are widely used across industries to streamline the operations, integrate data, and improve decision making. See, now in manufacturing domain, I could say manufacturing industry, Tata Motors India using Arkle ERP. So let's see before ERP how the Tata Motors was struggled. See, it struggled with the inventory mismanagement. There is a mismanagement in stocks, production delays. Obviously, if there is a mismanagement in inventory, obviously production will delay. Insufficient in supply chain. Insufficient in supply chain means what does it make sense? It means raw materials to finished goods. There is a insufficiency happened without ERP. But after implementation of ERP, what happened here? Integrated supply chain, automated production planning, improved cost tracking, and what is an impact? Faster car production, reduced wastage, and better financial control over the company. So that is happened with the Tata Motors in India. And again, retail Walmart. I think everyone aware about the Walmart. It's a big retail business in India. ERP. Then Walmart is using SAP. I think everyone know about the SAP and Arkle as well. Arkle Retail. Walmart is using SAP and Arkle Retail. So before ERP, likewise, it was also faced difficulties in managing a vast network of suppliers, warehouses and stores. Walmart having vast network of suppliers, warehouses and stores. So it faced a lot of difficulties in managing. But after implementation of ERP provides real-time inventory tracking, automated restocking, and supply chain visibility. Again, what is meant by supply chain visibility? It means raw material to finished goods. How the process is going on, how the data is being stored. So everything has been stored in a particular software. That is only happen with the ERP. Now, banking sector, obviously, HDFC is one of the biggest bank in India. It is also used Oracle ERP. So before ERP, as the same way, it was followed traditional methods, manual financial reporting. It means they have stored the data in manual registers and slow transaction processing. Compliance issues. Compliance issues in the sense violating the policies, laws, I mean, if there is no proper software implemented, obviously employees will violate the policies and laws. How it means there is a lack of monitoring, there is a lack of tracking. So without these, obviously customers will violate the policies and laws. Obviously, employees will also violate. But after implementation of ERP, automated the financial reporting, improved risk management, and better compliance tracking. This is what happened with the Archil ERP in the different industries. Likewise, healthcare, Apollo hospitals. It is a gained, pharma industry in India. Apollo hospitals. Before ERP, before using this Archil healthcare cloud. See, we can able to see here a lot of terms, new terms like Archil ERP, healthcare, Archil retail. Archil cloud providing a lot of applications. So Arkle Healthcare Cloud is also one of the application of Arkle ERP. So patient records were managed manually before ERP, I could say, causing delays in treatment and billing. But after using ERP, centralized patient database, automated billing, integrated pharmacy system. That is what happened with the healthcare domain as well. And education, obviously, Delhi University currently using Arkle PeopleSoft. This is also one of the application. And pharmaceuticals, Sun Pharma, like telecom. See, Reliance Jio, Ambani's Reliance Jio is one of the biggest gained network in India. It is also using Oracle Cloud ERP to manage its data. And oil and gas, government, Indian railways. Obviously, Indian railways also using Oracle ERP. Before that, there will be manual ticketing, but after using ERP, IRCT has been introduced. I think everyone aware about that IRCT, right? That is what about the ERP, automated train maintenance alerts and everything. This is about the real time, real life usage. I could say real life usage of ERP across the different industries. And yes, hope you guys understood about the ERP, right? Yeah. Can you
Yes.
please tell me yes or no? Hope you guys understood about what is an ERP and real time usage of ERP. Hope you guys understood.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Good. That is great. Sounds good. Yeah. Now, so everything is fine. Up to now, we are good with the ERP. So we will discuss about ERP was managing the data of different type of departments like HR, finance, manufacturing, inventory. But everybody has one doubt in their mind. What it is? How the data is stored? There is lack of database, right? No. See, now the database will comes into the picture. Oracle ERP uses the Oracle database. Now, yes, let's discuss about the database. So, what is a database? Again, let's imagine, just imagine you are running a supermarket, or else let me take you through, a day-to-day example. Just instead of the supermarket, let us consider DMart. Okay, I think everyone relate with that. Yes, of course. So imagine you are running the DMart. You need to store and manage data. What what was the data? Products, product ID, name, price, stock. Again, the customer data. customer name, contact details, sales transaction. You know, instead of writing everything in a notebook or Excel sheet, a database management system helps to store organized data efficient. Or else, if you want me to provide generic example, just let me give you very generic example. Just leave about this demand. See, uh, in street corner or center of the street or any centers, we could see grocery stores. I think everybody can see the grocery stores, right? See how the grocery owner will store the customers data. Customers data is nothing but, a lot of people will borrow the groceries and they will pay by month. So he needs to store the data in advance as a proof, right? Simply, the grocery owner will store in a notebook. But in case of demand, how it will be? Obviously, nobody will, you know, store in data in a notebooks or Excel sheet. Obviously, the gain supermarkets will obviously take a database. So that is what you, and also you can also observe whenever we are going to the building there, in billing counters, first of all they will enter the data in the system. That is what here in the products, the product id will generate it automatically, and the product name, let's say for example you have purchased one any t-shirt, so they will enter that particular t-shirt. Obviously just they will scan, there is a one advanced technology, just they will scan the barcode, automatically the name will be entered into the system. Again the price, everything will be entered in the system by scanning the barcode. So that is how they will enter the data in the database. That is about the database in the real time. Okay. And these ERPs are use the Oracle database, and Oracle database is one of the most powerful systems used by the banks, companies, and websites to store millions of records. This is about the database. Again, what is an SQL? We are going to learn about what is an SQL, and I will give you the overview of the SQL. But whenever you join the course, we will deep dive into the SQL. We'll discuss about the Oracle advanced functions of the SQL and everything. So now, SQL is a structured query language which is used to communicate with the database. Okay. See, let's say for example, you know, uh, you went to foreign countries, like Spanish countries or French. There you need to communicate with the people. What you will do? Obviously, there is a barrier between you and him. Spanish will be the barrier between you and him. You obviously learn the Spanish or French to communicate with them, or else you go to Tamil Nadu. You have to learn the Tamil Nadu to communicate with them. In the same way, there is a database. To communicate with the database, we need to learn the SQL query. To communicate with the database, we need to learn the SQL, and there we will store the data by using inserting command, retrieve the data, select, update. And these are the generic, these are the generic topics of the SQL. We have a lot of advanced topics in SQL. Just I'm giving an overview. So yeah, so how the SQL works in a real time? Obviously, I already given the example regarding the database. That is what in the same way the SQL will be used, or else the SQL will be communicated. Like scenario, if we take managing a student database in a college, I think this has been you have learned in your academics, like how we will create the tables and everything. That is only that is only generic information they will provide. They won't provide you the real time informations how the SQL will being used in real time. But we will cover all the things whenever you join the course. Okay. So real world use cases. In real world use cases, banks, hospitals, e-commerce companies will use the SQL to manage customer details, transaction and product inventories. Okay. Now let's take you through the PL SQL. PL SQL is nothing but procedure language SQL, which is an extension of SQL. And here we will add a programming flavor, just a programming flavor, like by adding the loops, conditions, and error handling. It is a type of programming language using the SQL commands embedded in it. Okay, and where we will use the PLSQL, which helps to automate the tasks such as sending automatic emails, processing payroll, validating data entries. Validating data entries is nothing but if somebody enters the duplicate data, then how you capture that he was being entered the duplicate data by means of PLSQL. There will be a PLSQL code. It will validate the data and capture the duplicate data, and it will delete it. How it will happen? Obviously, it will happen through PLSQL. Okay. Now, how the PLSQL works in real time system, real life system scenario. For example, automatic fee payments check in a university system. So, a university system should check students who haven't paid fees and they want to send the reminders. Whoever haven't paid their fees, they want to send the reminders to them. So that is what we will achieve from the PL SQL. There will be a PL code, and we will achieve that particular scenario. And real world usage, banks, if you can take banks, automatically calculate interest on customer accounts. So for this, let me give you one generic example. As you can see in the market, there is a Muthoot Finance, gold loans, Sriram chit funds. We have different type of finance banks out there. If you get to that banks and you are going to borrow or you are going to take a gold loan. So what the employee will does, what the Muthoot Finance employee will does, he will take that gold and he will enter the quantity of that gold. If it is at 10 grams, 20 grams, or whatever, he will give the inputs to the system. What happens? Automatically, system will calculate the interest. How it will happening? Obviously, that is happening because of the PLSQL code. In their software, in their system, we have coded with the PLSQL. Based on that, their software was running. And also e-commerce, apply discounts based on the customer purchase history. Based on the previous history, we will apply the discounts. And healthcare, generate monthly reports of patient visits, how many patients has visited. So these are all real world usage of PLSQL. And once you join the course, we will deep dive into that and we will discuss broadly and each and everything. Okay, and yeah. Now, what is an Oracle Cloud? See, Oracle Cloud is a cloud computing platform. Now we are going to discuss about the Oracle Cloud. See, here whatever I have explained, Oracle ERP is there, Oracle database, whichever I have explained, and SQL and PL SQL are the database languages. See, this Oracle ERP and database. This Oracle ERP, which is managed in Oracle Cloud. See, but how we can say the ERP is managing in Oracle Cloud? Why? Because the cloud has number of data centers across the world. So there in their data centers, they will manage the databases. In that databases, they are managing the ERP systems and different type of applications, whatever the offerings and Oracle provided. So all the offerings and all the applications, those will run in the Oracle Cloud. Now you guys are understood about the Oracle Cloud, right? Oracle Cloud is a cloud computing platform that provides services for storing data, running applications. That is what I told you. Running an applications. Likewise, ERP application, ERP cloud, we could say, and managing enterprise operations over the internet. Here we don't have any physical server. There is no need to install any physical application. Just we will, you know, we will log in the Oracle ERP cloud through over the internet. Just we will browse it. There will be a URL available. Just we will click on the URL and we will enter the user credentials and automatically the application will open. How it is managing? Through the internet. How it will be means there will be a data center. That is what. Again, it is similar to AWS as you can see in the market currently. Amazon Web Services. Amazon has released their own database services. Actually, in 2019, Amazon was using Oracle databases. Later, after expanding its business globally, it was introduced his own database services that is called Amazon Web Services, and it is similar to Microsoft Azure but optimized for the enterprises that needs secure, high performance, and scalable cloud solutions. And why is cloud computing important? What is the importance of this cloud computing? Again, the same lecture. Imagine you are running a large retail company, okay, like Flipkart. So you need a system to store millions of customer orders again, process thousands of transactions per second, manage a growing inventory and supply chain. So for all these operations, we need cloud computing. Okay, I think hope you guys are understood about the Oracle Cloud, Oracle Database, SQL and PL SQL, right? Anybody having any questions up to now? Are you guys so far with me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Good. Good. Yeah. Now, now let us discuss about the main part where we are going to work. We are going to work on the Oracle Fusion Cloud, and also we are going to learn the Oracle Fusion Cloud. In our training also, we are going to teach you Oracle Fusion Cloud. Oracle Fusion Cloud is the one of the application of the Oracle Cloud. I already mentioned that. Since I have mentioned Oracle Cloud providing number of applications. So Oracle Fusion Cloud is a one of the application of Oracle Cloud where we are going to work. So what is an Oracle Fusion Cloud? It is an advanced cloud-based business management software. It is advanced cloud-based business management software which helps companies automate and streamline their business processes. As I already mentioned that about the ERP, that is what about it. ERP is nothing but Oracle Fusion Cloud is nothing but Oracle ERP. Just we need to add the cloud features here. We will maintain that ERP in cloud. We can also say this Oracle Fusion as Oracle ERP Cloud. Yeah. Now, so it includes different type of solutions like finance, HR, supply chain, sales, customer experience. Based on the client needs, we will implement the modules to them. So why do companies use Oracle Fusion? Again, the question comes into the picture. Why do companies use Oracle Fusion Cloud? Again, again the same lecture begins. Imagine you are running a large retail company like Reliance Retail. Again, you need a system, manage their finance, budget across the different stores, track their inventory, supply chain to avoid stock shortages, handle HR functions like payroll and employee records, how many employees are there, and uh, and also paying their salaries regarding that data and everything, whatever HR functions are there, and improve the customer experience using the CRM tools. We are in Oracle Fusion Cloud. It is also offering the CRM, but currently Salesforce having one of the famous software which is offering the CRM tool. Of course, Oracle is also offering the same CRM tool, but Oracle, Oracle having number of modules when you compare to Salesforce. Salesforce is only for the CRM tool, customer relationship management. But when its question comes to the Fusion, it will provide lot of applications. And now let's take you through technical objects. What are the technical objects where you are going to learn? See, the technical objects are Oracle Business Intelligence Publisher, and another one is Oracle Transaction Business Intelligence Publisher. What this both does? Yes, here is the main question. So we are going to develop a report to the we are going to develop a report to the clients based on their business needs. Let's say, for example, client tomorrow client Client will come and ask you, see, I need a report for the current financial year regarding the sales data, sales, you know, sales and purchasing data. Let's say, for example, we will consider the sales data as of now, or else the manufacturing data. Let's say we will consider the sales data. So he is expecting sales data from for this financial year. Then how we will generate the report? Then now the BIP will comes into the picture. By using this business intelligence publisher, we will develop a report. For that report, how we will develop the report? Obviously, to develop the report, you need SQL. There, SQL will comes into the picture. Again, by using the SQL, you will communicate with the database and you will retrieve the data and you will present that data into a report by means of business intelligence publisher. By using this business intelligence publisher tool, you can present the data to the client. And the BIP involves with the coding, whereas the Oracle transaction business intelligence publisher, simply we can call it as a OTBI. OTBI involves with the minimal coding. It means there is no required of SQL joins and all the things. Just you have to mention the logic there. So that is what about the BIP and OTBI. This is a just generic overview. This is generic information I am providing you. So once you join the class, we will deep dive into that and we will discuss how the BIP report will generate, how will you know how the real time requirements will comes into the picture. Everything we will discuss once you have joined the class. You know that is what. Now let me take you through the live hands-on experience. Now just concentrate on the class. Now I'm take you through into the real-time application. Whatever we have discussed about Oracle Fusion is there, right? Now I'm going to show you how this Oracle Fusion cloud software will looks like and where we are going to work. And this will be more interesting. Just be concentrate. Yeah, let me take you through into that. Just a second. Let me check the user ID. I need to just a second, guys. Let me check the user ID. Yes, and this is a demo user. Just we will use it for the demo purpose, for the training purpose. And this is a software which we have purchased from the vendor, from the Arkle vendor for the training purposes. And this is also covered in the Arkle. This is also covered in the course. We are not charging anything. Okay. So yeah, let me enter that. So now we copy this password. Yes, it is logging in. See, did I install any physical app here? No, right? Just I am browsing over the internet. So that is what cloud. That is what about the cloud. Here I didn't install any physical app into my local system. Just I am browsing over the internet. Okay, let me take you through the home page. Yes, welcome to the Oracle Fusion Cloud software. So this is how the software will looks like. So this is a demo software, but in case of real time, let's say for example, you are working with Apollo hospitals. Here, just I place a cursor. Here, you can able to see Apollo's logo, and bottom of that you can see Apollo hospitals. If you are working with the Apollo's client, and here and this application will be customized, they will customize based on their requirement in case of client. And this is a generic, this is a demo environment which will be provided by the Oracle for the training purposes. But and one thing, someone will have some doubt, did any navigation will change? No, there is no change of navigations. The application, the software, navigation, everything will be same. Just they will customize their software based on their business. Okay. See, we are having sales, procurement, product management, everything, supply chain execution. Now let me take you through this BI environment, Oracle Business Intelligence Publisher. Let me take you through. We are having tools, yes, reports and analytics, reports and analytics. We can also able to say this, data analytics. Yeah, I'm signing into the data analytics page where we are going to develop the reports. See, this is the environment. This is the BI environment where we will implement the reports, where we'll develop the reports. Just we need to navigate into this create button. The same thing. See, if you landed on your dream job, there also you will work on the same page, and the same options are available. There is no change of these all options. Even the order also the same. Okay, no need to worry. Once you join our course, we will explain you all the real time requirements and everything. You can able to work very efficiently. Okay, let me click on the data model. See, now it is processing. Yes. See, as you can see here, there is a diagram where we need to develop the report. This is the area, developing a report area. Here you can able to develop the report according to the business requirement. Okay. Now, if I click on it, we can able to see lot of diagrams: SQL query, LDAP query, MDS, analysis, HTML, even HTTP. If you want to provide any REST API services, yes, you can able to object, web services, Microsoft Excel file. So we have a lot of diagram options, but we always will work on SQL. Usually we'll work on SQL. So mostly we could say mostly we'll work on SQL query, unless if you get any different type of requirement, we will navigate into this another options. But just as of now, consider that we are click on this. Let me give any random name. Now we need to we need to select the database here. I will select application DB Fusion SCM, where I can able to see SCM data, supply chain management data. It means from raw materials to finished goods. Let me click on this. Now let me write a simple query for selecting orders. Headers all. This is the table. DBO headers all the table where all order data will available. You click on it. Yes. See, this is a G1 diagram. So likewise, we can able to add number of data queries here based on our requirement. Now we can able to see here, you know, source order system, everything related to the order management. It means orders, customer orders. We could say, if I can click on this data, click on view to see the rows. I mean output data. Yes, here it is the output data. This is how the output will looks like. Next again, we need to structure this data into the report. How we will develop the report? In the same environment, we will develop the BI report by means of this. Actually, this is the generic example, but in real time, we need to write a 200 to 300 lines of SQL query. But don't panic about it. Don't panic about the code. You can easily write a query. You can easily write a query if you know about the SQL advanced function and all the things and navigations, everything. That is, initially it will looks heavily, but later on, we can we can able to say like practice makes man perfect. Once you start your preparation, again it will automatically becomes cakewalk simply. Okay. This is a generic example, and this is about the Arkel Fusion software. We have a lot of options, a lot of features in this software. So once you have joined the course, we will discuss about it, and you can make most out of it once you join the course. And yeah, now let us discuss about the career opportunities with Arkel Fusion Technical. You can able to become Arkel Fusion technical developer, BI developer, Oracle Fusion BI and OTBI developer, or else Oracle Reports developer, or Fusion consultant. Now, now I will show you how much of you know how much of what is the pay scale, I could say. What is the pay scale of the current entry level freshers, and also we are going to see what is the pay scale for the experienced candidates for 2 to 3 years of experience. So we in our you know in our institute we will also have freshers and the career gap students. Someone will have 2 years of gap, someone will have 3 years, someone will have no gap. For the no gap students, yes, we have tie-up companies. We will tie up with them. We will provide internship experience for 1 year. Then they will make most out of it. And for the career gap students, yes, we will cover the gap and we will make them as an experienced consultant. Not only the career gap students, along with the freshers, we will make and mold and shine them as an Oracle experienced consultant. So now let me show you what are the current salaries are there in the market for the freshers. Let me see Oracle technical developers fresher, entry level freshers salary. So as of now 2022, they are currently paying. This is a no, this is a normal picture, but if you if you give outstanding performance, you will get more than 3.5. No, see here, the average salary at Oracle freshers varies from 2 lakhs to 8 lakhs based on the performance. Somehow 10.5 lakhs are there based on their expertise. So that is what. Again, let's see experienced candidates. See, it is varies from the ambition box and the glass door. We could see here for the 3 years of experience, they will unlock 7.1 lakh LPA to 26.5 lakhs. That is an average salary. paying to the Arkil Fusion Technical Experienced Consultant. For the freshers, obviously we can say from 3.5 to 7 lakhs easily based on their performance. If you are holding 3 years of experience or 2 years of experience, you can easily get 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs or else more than based on your performance. Yes, of course, you can able to deliver that outstanding performance with our R Fusion technical development course. So let me now it is a time to placement assistant discussion. So we are going to provide 100% placement assistance. So there will be a project implementation. So you are going to implement a project wherever I have show you now. There is a Oracle Fusion Cloud is there, right? There only you need to implement one project after that, and we will also have weekly mock interviews and interview preparation by providing all necessary docs and Naukri profile creation. And while project implementation, you are not going to implement a demo environment, demo requirements. There will be real-time requirements personally which I have performed, which I have resolved or solved, or which I have developed. So I will provide you each and everything, whatever I have worked on. So as of now, I have worked on two Arkil implementation projects from end to end. We can say from end to end, and also I worked on one config migration tool. Everything I will provide you. So based on my experience, I will provide you the real-time requirements and you can work on it and you can deliver the outstanding performance in the interview and landed on your dream job. So call of action here, and also I will also explain. I want to mention you one thing here. See, yeah. Now it's a call of action. The classes will start from March 15 to 2025, and the course duration will be 3 months, and the course fee will be 25,000 INR only. And you see, you are going to pay only for the course. So here we are covering not only the subject, we are covering the placement assistance. You will have a separate training for the placement assistant after completing the subject. Subject will also will be the real time. Now, just remember one thing. It will be not like a classroom training or academic standards. Its standards are very high. It will be on very high, because now we are going to provide all the real time. So that is what. And again, so course duration will be 3 months and fee will be 25,000, and there will be some discounts if you register immediately after the demo class within 2 days. Then 10% of discount will be applied, and after 2 days, if you register and do one time settlement of course, then you will get 5% discount. If you register immediately, of course the 10% discount will be applied, or else after 2 days the 5% discount will be applied. And also we are offering installments. We do accept the installments. However, you need to pay 2 EMIs and there is no discount on it. Okay, so this is about the course, and let me now I'm happy to answer your questions. Yeah, hope you guys are understood my lecture. I think it went on very interesting, isn't it? Or boring? If it is a boring, just
Yeah, yeah,
sorry for inconvenience. But I hope it went on very interesting, right? Yes.
yeah. I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, if any employee, okay, for example,